Meanwhile, Mike Season 5 kicks off on Tuesday. A 1-hour special will be aired and you'll get a chance to find out about this year's 10 finalists. That's at 7 o'clock on Tuesday night right here on Fiji One. The Fijian community in Europe raised €14,000 for those affected by the January and March floods. In a statement, the Foreign Affairs Ministry said the show of support was quite overwhelming. The event, a cultural concert, was held on May 12th in Brussels, Belgium. The ministry said supporters included the diplomatic community and Friends of Fiji in Brussels and the Fiji diaspora communities in Germany, the Netherlands, France, Wales and Belgium. Donations in kind were also received from the Fiji community in Germany, which donated around 100 cartons of personal effects for flood victims here.